Alright, I'm in the process of switching this bag with the Traverse bag. I've already started putting stuff in here. Yeah. Now let's not fall again, because I'm not fucking coming to get you. Stupid fucking BS thing. Deep pockets, so I'm able to put whatever I need in here. I'll put a Bible in here. I'm gonna put the, if it's SHTF, these are good little lock picks. I put the Bible in here. I put that in here. The Bible I put in here is this one. I can actually read this. I mean, I would prefer a Gideon's Bible, but hey, gotta get what you gotta get, right? These in here, these little towel things. I'm not gonna try to pronounce that because I can't. Yeah. Put this up here. For tinder making, 2 little things. Then all I gotta do is get like a little thing like that to replace. I have a little thing in there. So, yeah. Here comes the door. You know what I'm gonna be doing? Screw that. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put this in here. Because it has a fire starter right there. Plus it's easy for me to do. It's still, you know. Then let's put in both of these. Okay. Oh, there's 3 of these. Nice. Nice. I could fit way more in here. You know what I'm gonna do though? Let's put the hands. No. No, let's not overdo it. I will be putting in the boner part of the hobo stove with the boner. I have an idea for that. Is this not gonna? Is this already, what? I'm confused. What? Is there only 2 of these? 2 or 3? Oh no. What? Oh, it's 2. Cool. Oh, there's way more in here too. Ah! So let's put this. Let's start putting some stuff in the top pockets. Okay. Now let's get this. Let's get this. Let's get the things right here. I'm literally going to just put a few things over here. We're going to put this. Because why not? In here. We can. Nah, let's just put it in this little pocket right here. If we can. Yes, we can. Can we do it? Yes, we can! Put this in here. This is actually a multi-use thing. That's why bandanas or, you know, this right here. No, yeah, then we could put this in here, this right here, the corkscrew thing right here. Let's close this. We can have that. There's a little I don't remember what these are called. Sorry. But yeah, the candles. We have the. Where's the lighter go? Where did the lighter go? Had a lighter somewhere. Where'd it go? Great. Let's put the. If you don't remember, this is a knife sharpener. Trust and believe it's going to be helpful. It's going to be nice. It's going to be great. You know. I had to. Let's put it in here. I guess. Put this in here. Because open situation, you're like, well, I do small little tasks like this, so let's put this in there. Yeah. We could actually start putting some other stuff in here. Are we done actually in here? No, we're not. We have a compass and all that, okay? And none of these, and none of these. Well, if it's urban, so it's like, here. Just, It doesn't really matter. Um, okay, so now the kind of easy kind of hard part. Okay, so I'm putting these. This I decided not to use, but if I do, it'll be a food bowl. You know, so there's something over there. Yes, just in case. Yes, a kid's one. This actually works really well. This works really well too. So you know, I might actually put some protein shakes in here too. Maybe, yeah. I forgot I have another bandana. That's actually good because 2 is 1 was done. I got 3 bandana. What? Why do I have 3? I don't know. A knife and all that. 2 things of duct tape. 1 heavy duty, 1 regular. You don't need all this colored bull crap. You're like, well, yeah, I do crap at home. Yes, just to piss y'all off. The only first aid I'm using, by the way. Because I don't care. I'm still going to do this. Yes, it's a chicken flavor. How much protein is in here, actually? Here is the 9 grams of protein, but 380 calories, how many carbs. Wow, 53. That's actually small for one. Or 26 if I do a half packet. Half packet of what? This? This is really nice to oh, I don't have it. Okay. Have this because why not? I have a pen. Why not? I might actually do a pencil too. I don't know. Oh, I forgot about these. Yes! I have my manly man ones. Haha, I actually might just take one of these. Oh, just Mets. How much? Where do these go off anyway? Can you tell me? I am not gonna be able to do that. Okay. There. And yes, SAS handbook. It's really good. It shows me some foraging stuff. Plus, I have, you know, ammo and blah blah blah. It's something that I'm gonna need. So yeah, let's just start getting this together, shall we? You know what I could do? I'm gonna be doing the smaller crap in the second pouch. You know, it's way easier that way. Especially because I'm gonna put the thing in. And it's still like not big, so I'm good for that. Let's put these in here. No, I might. No, I'll probably end up eating. Oh, I need to put some coffee in here. What's wrong with me? I need to put some coffee in this thing. What is wrong with me? Like, I might. I should. Some tell me should. And it's still gonna be. It's still like not. It's still like up. You know. Oh god, I have to do this crap. Unhook that. Just screw me. Oh, if y'all don't know what I'm talking about with Hobo Stove or whatever, you will, and not too far. Okay. You know what? Let's just do. If I can, let's just do this in the boat. Or I could put the boat in here or whatever. Actually, you know what? I shouldn't do this. Because why not? This is more of a, I should actually, no. These are good for whatever. This right here, put this on the back. Okay, by the way, if you wonder what I'm doing, I'm putting these on the back of the, thing. Actually, I should be showing you. I'm putting these on the back of the thing. So, yeah. Because it's easier. And you put this right here. Put this. I will... Oh, I need to put this in here. But, yeah. A little bit... Actually, I could actually do this now. Because it's way... Is it over there? Yes, it is. The only thing that's going to be annoying is this thing. One thing I hate is this. I don't like that. But yeah, it's inconspicuous, basically. I'm going to get the other two things, because why not? But I want to put them in like a bag. I want to put the bono in the bag. Oh, I need to get some alcohol for this too. Wow. Should I keep this? Okay. Poll. Should I keep this bowl in here? Or should I do one of the grease things they have? Y'all know what I'm talking about. Anyway. We're done. So, yeah. Actually, no. What I could do, since I have it, that thing over there. You know, the Stanley Wildfield Go, because I've been wanting to put it in something. I can easily put it in here. Easily. So, this is not that heavy, so, Anyway, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and grab it. Because it's right over here. And, right? It's way easier for me to do that. I should keep the bowl in here too. Someone just tell me to do it. So, yeah. Okay. I should. I have a cup. No, I don't need the bowl. I have a cup. So I'm good for that. Let's put this in here. And we have a complete thing, right? By the way, I have 2 cups in here, remember correctly. Plus, let's see. Oh God, that fits. Oh my God, that fits beautifully in here. That fits beautifully in here. Oh God, I hate these things though. Oh, this fits beautiful. Oh my God, this fits beautifully. Oh my God, it fits perfect. It fits perfectly in here. Yes. Haha, I like that. Oh yeah. So yeah. Screw you. It's Walgreens. But anyway, that's the end of the video anyway. God bless. In peace, this has been Postbox Survival. Hope you survive in the wasteland. Peace.